Hey everyone, super easy quick video here on how to do a magic ring that will close your work instead of leaving a hole. It's for hats and things like that. All you're going to do is hold this tail end here and it's going to go under the rest of the yarn. And while you're holding that there, insert your hook through that hole and grab the yarn and pull it up through the hole. Now to just secure that all, you're going to chain one and just now start however many the pattern calls for. Say it calls for 8 or so single crochet. Just start working those single crochet into this hole right here until you have what the pattern calls for. And this tail will secure all of that in there and close it up. So if you just pull it nice and tight, you could even work better with it that way. And if you pull the tail, it closes it up nice. And you'll usually just join here with a slip stitch or whatever the pattern calls for. And there you have it. Nice tight circle with no hole.